Hi everyone, my name is Gord, and in this video series I'm spending some time going over some of the features of the FUJIFILM X-Pro3 and offer some insights on how to use them. This video is about using and customizing the Q menu on the X-Pro3. The Q menu is a quick way to access and change many of the commonly used camera settings. By default, there are 16 positions, and you can customize which setting is where. Sometimes you may only need quick access to a few settings, and having 16 is a bit of a busy screen. You can reduce the number of items to 12, 8, or even just 4 if that's all you regularly change when you're out taking photographs. And you can customize whether the menu has a black background or is transparent, allowing you to see your image behind the menu. Here's how you customize those options. Press the menu and go to button dial setting. And here's where you would then choose the quick menu setting. Here's where you can choose either 16, 12, 8, or 4. Toggle to the right, and here's where then you move the toggle to wherever you're wanting to go to change. Press in, and now you've got a number of different options when it comes to which icon you're going to have in that screen. Once you've made your choices, you can then press the back button to exit. The next menu item down allows you to change it to being transparent, allowing you to be able to see the image through the Q menu when you're looking through there. Hope you found this series of videos helpful when setting up and using your X-Pro3. If you should have any questions or comments, please feel free to use the comments section. We do respond to all relevant questions and appreciate your comments. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel and you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. Look for us on Twitter @FujiGuys. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. And until next time, I'm Gord with the Fuji Guys. Thank you for watching.